Rotten sections only. Preserve the sizes. Careful, time is short. Replace quickly. Almost done.
Mind the timber, brother. We're almost done with this side. Careful on that ladder. Hand me that beam. Hold it there. Little bit to the left. Watch your step. Secure the base.
Keep it steady. Pass me that beam. Watch the alignment. Faster, everyone. Securing it now. Check the level.
Keep pushing. Get it level. Almost there. Hold tight. Secure the bolts now. Done on this side. Moving to the next one.
Excellent work, it looks perfect.
Yes, the curtains add a lot of elegance.
Now we can enjoy the evening breeze. Alright, keep the pace up, almost done. Looking good, check the cushions. Plants centered? Perfect, take a step back.
Test the lights in the main house. Testing lights on the north walkway now. All clear, they look beautiful. The plants are glowing. Perfect, take a look. It's ready.
All right, pack it up. Look at this place. Job well done, guys. Beautiful work. Let's head out. The light's fading.